Hey listeners, I'm back again, and today we'll discuss about Nifty Banknifty, and if we get enough time, we'll definitely talk about some stocks as well. And if you hadn't subscribed to this channel, do click the subscribe button. Moving on to the Nifty. So see, similarly, if you just check this one out. Nifty had broken this trend line. You can just can again just draw a trend line. So roughly it had broken the trend line here and then continuously trading below this particular zone of this gap down, sideways to downside. So what we can see from this red candle is the closing is quite almost at 3 days low from last 3 days. Fine. So that is clear from the daily frame. While if we talk about hurdles and supports, so hurdle is you can see this kind of some sort of real bottom, some sort of buying taking place here, and this was some sort of support built up here. So this particular zone is nothing but roughly the zone of 8900. So let's draw a line here. So if I see this is some sort of roughly 8950 zone which is emerging to be a support, 8900 to 8950 zone, which I can consider a firm support zone on Nifty, on daily frame, while the immediate support that we can see is at the zone of 9200 as per the last 4 days, 5 days we see. So this is the immediate support, but actually this would prove to be a very stronger one. On the upside, the selling is taking place here at the zone of 9450, 9400, let's say. So this will prove to be a hurdle. This 9400, 9420 zone is proving to be a hurdle. This needs to be crossed for further upside, while this needs to be crossed for further downside. So that is, the overall study from daily chart. If we go on early, let's see if things becomes quite clear or not. So in early, what you see early, that is each candle represent 1 hour on chart. So what you see in early chart is nothing but Nifty opened on the day gap down and selling took place entire day. Again open gap up here, selling took place entire day. This was the only exception, but even though the buying didn't sustain and Nifty almost tried to go days low, here this was completely flat. Then again a gap up followed with selling today to gap up followed with selling. So from what we can conclude is whenever Nifty opened gap up, selling took place. The healthy sign here logically has to be what? In any coming day, if Nifty open gap down and buying emerges. So that would be a good sign which will bring it to the upside of, let's say, roughly up to 9500, 9550 zone. So gap up selling is what the current trend is. Okay, so this is clear. On the chart, 9200 on the early frame is proving to be a support, while the resistance taking place on the early frame as 9400 marks. So this is on early. If we go much deeper on 15 minutes, the things become quite amazing. So now on 15 minutes, the hurdle is proving to be at 9350 zone. So from 9400 on 15-minute frame, the hurdle is at 9340, 9350, while the support is emerging at 9230, 9240 zone. This is about 15 minutes. The moment it tries to close and stay above this, or not close, actually, if it spends time below this particular 1940 zone, we can see some sort of good down move coming into picture. And on 15-minute basis, it has to be up to 9140, 9120 zone. But if it starts to trade about 9340, 9350, the move will be, on either way, you can say 150, 100 to 150 points. Either way, a move has to take place. The moment it trade either above this or either below this. This is about 15 minutes. Then you check another index called as Bank Nifty. Let's see if we can have some idea from that. Why I'm saying so? So Bank Nifty is nothing but 20% or roughly 30-35% of the index. So in Bank Nifty, what you see here, this particular zone again gap up down. So what is proving to be a hurdle is earlier it was trading about this, then this particular zone of roughly 700, 750 proved to be a hurdle, right? Today, interesting thing is, it tried to kiss this, but even today it was unable to reach this mark, and from the very same levels we had seen, so one way down move. So now on the early or on the 15-minute frame, the hurdle is 19,700, while the immediate hurdle that we will talk about is roughly in the zone of 19,400 on 15 minutes. 15 minutes is a very short period trade where understand one thing: your time frame on which you see the chart decides its reliableness. When I take very short term chart, it means the thing that I'm looking is completely for intraday. The moment I go for daily or weekly frame, the movement has to be for a longer period of time. Now coming on the chart again, so this particular zone of 19,400 now, if it it tries to go above this, only then we can see an upflow of at least 300 points. As long as it's now stayed below this, and the disasters would be if Nifty even reach, Bank Nifty even reach this support zone, what could take place is you have to go in what frame? You have to go even deeper. So 18,500 as per this 15-minute frame, and if we go in hourly frame, let's see if we get the answer of where if Nifty Bank Nifty open gap down tomorrow, where we can see it. So on early frame, the move can take place up to 18,500 zone. That will become its first psychological support, while to the downside, the next support comes at roughly 18k mark. So 18,500, 200 zone is something that we need to keep in mind. If I'm looking for a buy, then I will try to look for a buying in the zone of 18,200 to 18,500. While if I'm looking for a sell in Bank Nifty, as per what I have studied in chart, I will look at in the zone of 19. The best thing will be in the zone of 19,700, where my buffer is very high. But if I'm trading for very small scalp opportunity, 19,400 is not bad either. Overall, if I talk on big time frame, let's say daily, how things are, then what we see here in Bank Nifty, if you see, this was the complete downfall. If you can clearly see, while if you go with the chart, the interesting thing would be Bank Nifty was continuously trading above these zones, right? The zones of roughly 19,500, 19,400. Today, it even reached this. At least from placing basis, it was above them. Today, it reached this. So now, what again took place is Max, it will try to just kiss these levels of 19,400 again, just to respect them. Overall, now definitely the panic is visible as far as Bank Nifty is concerned. Unless and until there is some sort of good news or a good heavy trade result are pending, that we consider. Once you sit for trade, overall on the upside now, as long as 19,400 is there, downside is visible up to 18,500, 18,300 zone. Once this particular level is taken out, again we can see a hurdle at first 20k and then 2,500. So definitely intraday moves could be faster as compared of big positional moves. Positional picture 2,500, 2,300 zone a hurdle, while the support on in the zone of 18,000 or 18,200 mark you can simply look at. Let's find some stocks.